Warning, the following video contains graphic content that may be disturbing to some viewers. Discretion is advised. On September 19, 2024, a Jackson County, Michigan deputy was dispatched to a local power barn in an attempt to pick up a suspect on a warrant at his place of employment. James Kerr, 41-year male. James had violated his probation terms and had 2 misdemeanor warrants. When the deputy made contact with the suspect, James attempted to flee on a lawnmower. After several commands to stop and get off the lawnmower were made, but none were successful, things took an immediate turn when James decided to take matter into his own hands.
How you doing, James? Come on out there, man. Come here. James, stop! 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 Get off the... Now! Get off! Now! Stop! 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 Now! Stop! Now! Get off! Get off now!
I'm getting off! Right now! I'm getting off!
Now!
I'm getting off!
No! Step off! Shut it off and step off now!
I am! Calm
Get
down.
off!
Calm
Now!
down.
You run, I'm gonna tase you, James.
And I'm gonna...
Drop the gun! Send me another unit now. Shots fired. Suspect pulled a gun.
No, it'll...
He shot. Stand by. Suspect reached for a gun. Got tased. Round discharge from his gun. Start JCA'd another unit. Looks like he got shot in the hand.
B-U-N-C-A-N versus Brandy B-R from D1. We're behind the power barn. Behind the power barn.
Where's the gun?
Just clear on Sunset Shady Place.
Roll over on your face, man.
Blackman, you know, power barn.
Put your hand behind your back.
Are you serious?
Well, I gotta get you in custody, buddy.
Are you serious, us? He pulled the gun out and said, "I'll have to shoot."
No, I did not say that. I promise you I didn't say that.
Summit or 514?
You hit anywhere else?
514.
so.
We got one in custody. Clear one? Yeah. We have DC and rescue en route. Just confirming is a suspect with a hand injury. No injuries on PD.
Affirmative.
Affirmative.
Gunshot wound to the hand.
The hand.
No injuries on PD.
No injuries on PD. Okay, thank you. Confirming suspect in custody. Suspect is in custody.
You got any? Let's go
Slow down.
bag. You good, Rob?
21 on all. Clear. The other one's gonna slow down, disregard. Clear. Any unit not on scene can disregard.
You might want to start, No, I'm all set right now. Let's get him some medical, and then
I would have missed that taser. You fucking shot him.
just relax. I'd probably contact Ruby. See if he's aware of what's going on.
That's 4, I'm in route. That's 93, I'm out here.
Matt?
Matt.
Yes, you're right. 543, I believe.
Just in the hand, that's all we got?
514, can you have ROIC come out
I don't
here?
know if it's on my stomach or not.
You don't know if you shot yourself in the stomach or not? Okay, let's take a peek, buddy.
I don't know.
Out, out, out.
No, then I didn't.
You got anything else on you, partner?
A phone and take that.
First shots fired out of the thing.
So again, your sirens.
That's real 1324.
Shots fired. The suspect has a GSW to the hand.
You got another glove on your
And I believe they said units not on scene can disregard. Break for that. I'm gonna make sure.
That won't be disregarded. Still headed that way.
I'm clear. I'm gonna make sure with county operator.
Summit 6.
But
Everything's secure out here, except FYI. We're rendering medical now.
Claire, did you still leave here?
You can open it up.
There's a chance carrier is up for normal traffic 1456.
Cut the rest of this off. You have to do the other one too. Hey, wake up. Scott.
Matthew Kerr? What's your birthday, Matt?
He had one probe in his arm, just so you know. So now he had one probe stuck there from the
Okay.
Are you gonna keep that? They're probably gonna want to keep it.
Yeah, we're gonna want that.
Doesn't look like there's any other intrusion.
Here, I'll grab a bag for you for the shirt.
That's story I'm on here. Where are they behind the power barn?
What's up? May not be. There's no shots by PD. Okay. Okay. I'll take the shirt real quick.
You know who this is?
Gun secure in my car. Yeah, I'm fine. Yeah. Yep.
Only notified advisory to have you attend them.
They got a bus coming.
Run in the cold up.
These your keys?
Yeah. Took them off.
Okay.
1188 has a
Let's leave the
10
case in.
MSP Jackson for 32 original part, Texas drug. She also has a 10 out of JSO for child support.
Guns in my car.
2 PBOs where she was a protected
I'm good for
party.
now.
One of the
Appreciate you.
respondents is Michael Brandon Watson, 66 of 90. The other respondent is a Devin Dale Jr.
I was gonna see if we actually want if we want to hold the scene, take photographs of where everything is right now, or tent anything. There's no shots by us, but
Caught my taser off, but he fell to the ground and dropped my taser down. No officer shot.
Oh.
His gun when he fell to the ground discharged him in the hand.
oh, okay.
But he told me, he's like, how would I fucking shoot you?
So he's coming there. Alright, let's get some tape. Okay. Tape off. What do you need me to do, Rudy?
Just relax.
Good. Put me to work. So we got. Yep. We got his shirts and bags. We got one shell casing on the ground.
Photographs.
Okay. I got another round right here. I got gun.
I remember correctly, you had a second subject. You just don't need me to run them.
Yes, I'll take care of my car. I'll take care of
Okay.
Hey, after you, Dave, are you sure you're good, man? Yep. We want to get him on this phone.
Before I can read the case here. So you just tell him to come out.
Yeah, absolutely. Let's see what's up here for a second. Well, you got it. Glad you're all right.
I honestly haven't said that more.
I got it. I'm gonna come take photographs.
I changed where I sat on the
Okay.
Here's your other probe with any.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
That's for 214 Northwest Ave.
What's the serial number? Summer 6.
Go ahead.
You copy a serial number and add it to the call.
Hey, go ahead.
He had a probe right in his lower back too, and we just took his shirt off and pulled that out because they were pushing on the handcuffs.
Okay.
It was like right, their hands like this. It was right here. In his back.
Okay. And the other one was where?
He had one up on his arm up here too.
Okay. Not really a whole lot to photograph, but. Stowe, where'd you say that casing was? I see the right under your glove. Perfect.
Central on arrival.
You want these bags left? You want me to remove them?
You can get them out of here. That's fine. No, no, this is Henderson's. I think we cuffed him in the back.
Yeah, but can they cuff him in the front?
Oh yeah, that's fine. Yeah, if he's being compliant.
Central, stand on your chest.
Was he on the mower when you made contact with him?
James Kirk.
James Kirk?
Kirk,
Oh, I thought it was Matt.
He's going by Mitch here, but it's James Kirk.
So how you doing? I can't give too many details right
That's
now.
my dad's.
Where's your dad?
That y'all shot. That's my dad.
Okay.
So what happened?
I might be able to have somebody else explain it to you. Sounds like there was like a warrant for his arrest. And then he didn't want to go. It sounds like he pulled a gun. He is alive. I don't know what details you have. I saw him getting escorted into the ambulance. Okay. So my assumption is he is at Henry Ford Allegiance. We obviously do have some personnel sitting on. Okay. I'm Eric Taylor with the Sheriff's Office. Okay. I don't truly know everything that's going on. I was up north and just flying here as fast as I could, okay? So as far as details, I don't have those, okay?
So was he riding around on this thing?
He works here.
Oh, okay.
So that's why I came here. I knew he worked here. I was trying to pick him up on his warrant.
Oh, okay.
He ran from me a few months ago, but I couldn't positively ID him, so I could never charge him. But he had a few felony warrants. I just came here to see if he was working. Manager took me back here. He said, we have a Mitch Kerr, but not James. I said, well, let me see him. Probably not him. And I went back, and it was him. He's riding the mower. Told him, hey, come here, talk to me. He didn't say anything, just kept driving off. Told him to get off. Kept driving. I pulled my taser, told him to get off. He was going to get tased. And he just kept saying, okay, I will. But he never slowed down. Finally, I did it right there and stopped. I told him, you're going to get tased. And he said, all right, just don't tase me.
Central
And then once it was in that rut right there, he went to get off. And then he pulled that little 380 or whatever it is. It was like next to him. It wasn't in his pocket. And he said, how about I fucking shoot you? Or how about I fucking kill you? One or two. And as soon as he went to grab that, I tased him, dropped that, and transitioned to my pistol. And I heard a shot go off. There's one that's in his hand, I think. Held him at gunpoint.
You think he shot himself because you were tasing him?
Are you back in?
Probably. I can't be sure, but the gun definitely went off after when he went to the ground.
There's a casing over there.
It's definitely a gunshot.
So on his left hand.
Mitch!
Stand up.
Stand up. Mitch! Stand up. Mitch, stand up. You know you can hear us. Yeah, I used meth earlier tonight, so FYI.
Want to strap it down for you?
Just get a couple.
Just enough to hold him on it.
Sorry.
Oh, wow. Okay, that was fast.
they're fine. We'll wait for everybody else to get in here. I imagine there's more coming. You undo him from the top.
As a result, James was taken to a local hospital where his wounds were treated. After treatment, James was later released to the county jail, where he was then charged with assault with intent to murder, using a firearm during the commission of a felony, and resisting a police officer. If convicted, James could possibly face up to life in prison for the assault charge, up to 2 years for the felony firearm charge, and also up to 2 years for resisting an officer.